Luxury vinyl tile is gaining popularity as a top commercial flooring option. It produces the look of wood or stone without extensive maintenance. However, maintaining LVT does present its own challenges. NCL's luxury vinyl tile cleaning and protection program meets those challenges while preserving and protecting your LVT flooring investment. LVT-CLEAN is an ultra-wetting floor cleaner, specially designed for fast and deep-reaching action on the unique surface of LVT floors for the fast, complete, and safe removal of dirt and soils. The low foaming formula allows for use in automatic scrubbers. It's an easy rinsing, neutral cleaner with streak-free drying for LVT, rubber, linoleum, no wax, and synthetic flooring surfaces.